Hello. Today we will see about the genus Myrmicaria. Myrmicaria are an utterly unique genus within the subfamily Myrmicinae. They are distributed throughout the Afrotropical, Oriental, and Indo-Australian zoographical regions. It currently has 71 species including subspecies. Like all myrmicines, they possess a stinger, which they use to sting and inject venom, either for defending the nest or for capturing prey. The genus's characteristic feature is their ability to bend their gaster downward, earning themselves the name of droptail or hunchback ant, which is indeed exactly how they look, hunching their entire body. Workers and queens alike are almost always found in this hunched posture. This genus has two distinct species groups, the arachnoids group and the Brunnea group. What I have is of the Brunnea group, either Myrmicaria brunnea or Myrmicaria carinata, the only two Myrmicaria species described in my locality. These two species are extremely variable in color, ranging from a light brown to a deep red, including every shade in between. The species of the arachnoids group are known to nest on trees, creating carton nests made of plant material, while Brunnea nest underground, creating nests up to 1 meter deep. These nests are humongous, and you will easily be able to recognize them. Soil excavated will be placed in a circle around the nest opening, which is large and will be placed in a tall pile. The ants, from my observation, are almost always continuously bringing up new grains of soil. Their mean colony size is around 19,899 workers. They forage cooperatively and form long trails teeming with ants, army ant-like, given their aggressive behavior. Large colony size and continuous foraging in large trails, they certainly cover a large area. In a study done on Myrmicaria brunnea subcarinata, it was found that these ants controlled a territory of 270 meter, and had 44 meter long trails. Worker size of a colony progressively gets larger as the colony matures. The nest opening also expands linearly with colony growth. They feed on honeydew, plant juices, fruits, as well as discarded kitchen or food wastes. However, their main food item are arthropods, either scavenged or captured. They have exceptionally good recruitment tactics, bringing a large number of ants to a newly found food source extremely fast. In Myrmicaria humanoids, like all Myrmicaria, age-based division of labor occurs, wherein younger workers take care of the brood, while older workers forage for food. In humanoids, workers' poison gland reservoirs reaches a final size after around 6 weeks, when they will become ready to be foragers. This venom acts as an olfactory recruitment agent and assembles a lot of ants for battle in the given location. In another study, it was found just how important Myrmicaria were to humans. In a study conducted across Madurai, Tamil Nadu, it was found that foraging ants removed 99.4% of the eggs of the dengue-causing mosquito, Aedes. This shows their importance as a great natural regulator for controlling the populations of potentially disastrous mosquito populations. It had also been recommended by scientists as a biological pest control for the species Microterm subhyalinus, which destroys sugarcane at a large scale in West and Central Africa. On the other hand, Brunnea are also a predator of Antheraea mylitta, the economically important tussar silkworm found in India. Being an aggressive predator, causes major loss in silk production. They are also known to bite on the growing shoots of some valuable plants. They are also a menace to plants as they tend to sap feeding Hemiptera, often protecting them and even transporting them to new plants. These animals in turn give the ants a sweet secretion, which the ants consume for a sugar source. Their males are very peculiar looking, easily identified by their heart-shaped gaster. They are ravenous eaters and intake a lot of proteins, in the form of various insects. Despite my colony having only one worker, I feed them every day and still they consume everything that I give them. It takes approximately 30 days from egg to worker. Myrmicaria brunnea's mature larvae, unlike that of arachnoids, are extremely hairy. My colony currently has a sizable number of workers and are on their way to becoming a huge successful colony. An amazing genus for anybody who likes large, aggressive, fast-growing ants. I have seen them take down mole crickets in the wild, and Myrmicaria opaciventris workers are even known to rob food items from the overly aggressive and competitive army ants, Dorylus nigricans. Overall, they are an extremely aggressive, competitive species that has had success in the areas where it is found, being one of the dominant species. I have really enjoyed keeping the colony so far and cannot wait for it to grow larger. I love their coloration, dominant behavior, cool hunched behavior, among others. That is all for now. Hope you have learned something new.